My name is SM King. I am the Omaha Chainsaw. And right here tonight, with these two hands, I proved a point. The point, it's not to win or lose. That's easy. That's cheap. I made the point that I can hurt someone. I made the point that I can break someone's neck. Tonight I proved the point that the Omaha Chainsaw is a serious threat to everyone. Right here tonight, the Omaha Chainsaw made a mess. It cut down the competition. It destroyed everything in its path. And you want to know why? You want to know why? Do you want to know why? Because that's what chainsaws do.